very high. I've seen them in Many crashes that occur every year can be avoided. More on how to avoid crashes later. But first, a quick overview of what most often causes these crashes in the first place.
These are the top five causes of all crashes in Texas. Driving at an unsafe speed. That includes driving either faster than the posted speed limit, driving slower than the posted speed limit, or driving too fast for using the road.
Another top reason, failure to yield when another driver has the right of way.
Another leading cause, driving under the influence of alcohol and or other drugs.
And another top cause, disregarding stop and go signals and signs.
Finally, drivers who follow too close to the car in front of them.
If we look specifically at crashes that kill